Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a simple planet out of spray paint. It's a tutorial video. Start off with some black, blue. You can see I pointed to the gloss there. It means you get like a shiny effect with the spray paint. There are matte options. 2 if you want a less shiny effect. I tend to go for shiny. Here you can start off with just a simple background. You generally start with the planet first. I'm not sure why I made the creative choice to start with the background first, but it doesn't really matter. It'll turn out just the same. So here I'm using some light blue, and then I typically go with a contrasting color. In this I go with a red. It's very contrasting. It helps with contrast, pop, just gives it more depth and texture to it. Using similar colors can sort of start to blend together. Then after I do my colors, I just take some white and I spray paint. I just cover it, and you'll see why in a second. I do this. It sort of fills in those gaps when I wipe it with. You can use a magazine, newspaper, anything really. You can use a plastic bag. Each one gives you a slightly different texture. Magazine sort of gives you this more stripy, smooth texture that you see on planets a lot of times. Then you cover it. You can cover it with anything, lids. Here I'm using a pretzel jar lid. And then I go to work on the background. You essentially redo the background after you do that because you want to cover all that excess color that is outside of the circle. And so I just mix in some blue with the black. Then I'll eventually start using like a splatter effect. I spray paint a little white just on the finger of the glove that I'm wearing, and I just sort of flick it on there. Give it that nice kind of starry Milky Way effect. It really it brings the piece together. You don't have to do too many. It really just depends on personal preference. And then the last thing I always spray paint a sort of a ring around it of white. It gives it that kind of glow effect that you see on planets a lot of times. And then pull it off, and there you go. There's your simple planet tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.